Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the document and selecting the exact text or object that needs wrapping so you work precisely. Once done, save a copy and enable show/hide to see hidden breaks. That prevents surprises. Make sure the paragraph uses normal or a consistent style, because inconsistent spacing breaks automatic wrap behavior. Now that the content is selected and visible, you're ready to change layout properties and paragraph settings to control how lines and objects interact. Next, adjust paragraph and layout settings to refine wrap behavior. In paragraph, set indents and spacing, and enable widow/orphan control so single lines don't float. This affects where breaks occur. For inline versus wrapped objects, select the image or shape and pick wrap text right arrow square, tight, through, top and bottom, or behind/front as needed. Once you choose a wrap style, drag the object and watch text reflow. Use layout options to set distance from text for cleaner results. Finish by fine-tuning with non-breaking spaces and soft returns to keep words or phrases together, and enable automatic hyphenation if long words cause awkward gaps. Make sure objects are properly anchored. Right-click the object, choose more layout options, and confirm anchor and text wrapping choices. If wrapping still misbehaves, inspect for manual line breaks or table cells restricting flow, remove or adjust them. One quick troubleshooting tip: reveal hidden characters and anchors to spot and fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.